Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a numbered list in Canva. If you've ever typed out points one by one and struggled to keep them aligned and consistent, this will save you time and keep your design looking clean. This feature is especially useful for Shopify store owners who want to present organized lists of products, benefits, or steps in a way that looks polished and professional without spending too much time on formatting. Start by opening the Canva project where you want the list to appear. Make sure you're on the page or slide that needs the numbering. If you're creating a design for your Shopify store, this could be a product listing, an FAQ, or a promotional graphic. Wherever it is, just ensure you're in the right spot. Now, check whether you already have a text box in place. If you do, click directly inside that text box so it becomes active. You'll know it's selected when you see the blue outline and the editing cursor blinking inside. This means you're ready to edit the text in that box. If you don't see a text box yet, go ahead and add one so you have a spot to type your list items. To do this, simply click the Text button from the left sidebar and choose either a heading, subheading, or body text option, depending on the size of the text you need. Once your text box is selected, look for the toolbar that appears across the top of the editor. This toolbar only shows the right controls when the text box is active, so if you don't see it, click inside the text again. This ensures that you're in the right mode to start formatting your list. In that toolbar, find the list icon. It typically looks like a set of lines next to bullets or numbers. This is the control that switches your text between no list, a bulleted list, and a numbered list. If you're working on something like a product description, where you want to show a step-by-step guide or features of a product, this is the perfect tool to keep your content organized. Click the list icon once, and it will turn your text into a bulleted list. That's great for simple dots, but we want numbers. Click the same list icon again, and Canva will switch it to a numbered list. You'll immediately see a 1 appear next to your first line. If you're starting fresh, just begin typing your first item after the number. For example, if you're listing out the benefits of your product or steps to complete a purchase, type out the first point. When you press Enter at the end of a line, Canva automatically moves to the next line and continues the numbering for you. Type your next point, press Enter again, and the numbering keeps going perfectly aligned. This automatic numbering can be a huge time saver, especially when you're creating content that needs to stay organized. This automatic numbering makes it easy to reorganize your list too, because Canva will renumber items if you add or remove lines. For instance, if you add a new feature in the middle of your product listing or want to reorder some steps in a process, Canva will adjust the numbering automatically. A quick tip: if the numbers don't show up as expected, double-check that your text box is still selected and that you've clicked the list icon twice. Sometimes it's just a small click that's needed to make it work. Also, your list will use the same font, size, and color you've set for the text box. So adjust those first if you want a specific style. If you're using this for a product description or a marketing flyer, make sure the font matches your brand style to keep everything cohesive. If you change fonts later, the numbers will update to match, keeping everything consistent. This ensures that your numbered list will look professional across all parts of your design. That's all there is to it. Open your project, select or add a text box, click the list icon once for bullets and again for numbers, then press Enter to build the list line by line. It's simple, fast, and keeps your content looking professional. Whether you're creating a quick product guide or organizing your store's features, numbered lists are a great way to improve readability and clarity. Thanks for watching and happy designing in Canva! I hope this tip helps you streamline your workflow and create content that stands out. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on designing for your Shopify store, and feel free to drop any questions or suggestions in the comments below.